Friday na yasa babim ne atena se edu fiada sia no hu say ye bobo no kakra e de ra weekend no emume mo akwa ba Badwam Ahosepe jumedie so world of entertainment ahaya na obeteno asem ne ba na wante wa hase ya na che say Andrew headquarters ba wote wa hase no say yes sania ekwiapem ni ebeka no you nyame eyodo but the Sandra o heme adwuma nyame adom entertainment am Ghana for Chemwa. Straight up, I graduated from Gaius. They say, no, you're 2 times a guy. Rich Madaroma. Timaka is so shame kuma yon say guys, me nu. But got some fresh guys be what I say. Makacho say we are here for the talent, and I keep saying it. Talent the and a sky in a song. I was so be at me room. It's about time I best switch your focus. Nyama new faces be chances. I'm on so sweating me a room. And the man latter for the trying every year. Omodoso, Adia Chibia will be in its EPA, so no more support it. Magana, me crum head, de be 1 way. It's here no, and a dynasty for Atna say, who say, go for what talents. Now, Queen now on Bingano. And on a problem, it's no more campus to campus. In fact, me say omujumedi omudin na ma hwahwe pa say young guys make almost so omani so ade hunu they've got ambitions but mo dey ahye to krom say na yen stretch a helping hand to nkrofo mo hia o my Central University dey awie anyame adom o hye mo dey just so on crying o my Central region hono mawie right thank you Richmond and now mo dey be pie mo on crying no ma pie mo kuma se o chena ni jemeboa yene dynasty for ntwetwenko mamrante mama kwa Badwam TV so who na if say hey na mo girl say hwemo de because na mo who ayefe de
so we guy into your buy say
why a guy
you sign it to me abi
was I 2 times a guy straight up hey where a guy o akwa baby ye ka dynasty a trese mo te ne da be ye ko ben igina ho maden.
Okay, Dynasty event house.
Okay.
So we coined it whilst in university.
Nice.
You graduated last year. You graduated in
Oh wow.
Fresh theater arts.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
UW. So University of Education, Winneba.
Whoa.
So we have Udu level 300. You get the opportunity to sample some of the courses, major courses in the department. Into Udu level 400, now we major. You was sample on back of 400. So I sampled event management and technical theater in level 300. To do level 400, now we decided to maybe do event management.
Okay.
It is a whole year event, and they give you the opportunity to form your event house. Now the concept and after then your supervisor will approve it. So through that, and then my name is partner. So almost paying in Vietnam, she couldn't come for the interview. So any other dynasty events I was by.
Oh nice.
So final year project we and then yes okay then let's take it outside. So we did University Got Talent last year.
Wow.
And Edukusia Meuga call Winneba. But you know we have an account for the event concept on TikTok. We have over 50K followers. So students from other universities were coming to our DMs. So almost 1 person account. Yakasadi de Obrom. So we are starting audition Central region there last week. Okay. So Accra there Ochena. So we are doing it in 3 sections. We have Central region, Greater Accra and
Ashanti region.
Yes. So after that, maybe in years to come, maybe we may extend it to other regions as well. But these are the sections we are doing it.
Wow.
TV audition and then we will do major event for the section where we did the audition. Wow. Then after that, we bring the winners to the National Theatre.
People do. Wow, yes. Interesting. And I'm right here, more wing now. Bible cracker. In fact, 24 cracker can Bible. 24 so Oton Yari Nyan Wedru. Miss May MC.
Okay.
Baddest on the stage. Energy goddess.
And
maybe I made my work special order for now book me. Me because I was necessary. And it also come on as there.
Publicity and marketing department. Oh, Dynasty Legacy.
I see.
Ventures. Yeah.
Wow. Na maybe some within Dynasty na Nigeria friend passion within no.
Okay, within the step but do not from Van Dam.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm a friend Samuel Ansong.
Samuel Ansong. It reminds me I'm in your motor chain Central and how did it go?
Okay, so it went well. we are not just using anybody for the judging aspect. We want, because of the brand and the image of the event concept, we are using only lecturers.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so professors and doctors, they are the people we are using. So it really went well, and we are looking up for tomorrow's audition too. We are expecting not less than 30 or 40 people for the audition.
Nice.
And we have, so far we have students from over 14 institutions in Ghana, yes, including UDS, UMAT, UPSA, LEC, KNUST, and all the universities.
Straight up, repping KNUST, repping. Bright, you're on some Ramranti. Wow, this is beautiful. Publicity.
Yeah.
What's your share any dark when come at
Yeah, what's na bibia dark when come. So I think we have putting everything in place.
Right.
And by God's grace, we will be expecting not less than 20 or more contestants today. Yeah.
No time when I'm more starting.
Yeah, Ochina yeah, shall say 8 a.m. sharp. Yeah, East Legon.
East Legon.
Okay. Venue for auditions.
But exact location will be go and patch up. And that's the details, no. And that's even is to say now already, you know. And it just some man, you want to change come on saying say free. You don't have to buy any forms.
Absolutely.
And you need to say what talents now need scan as a forms. Man, na dream free won't touch it. Here so the talent and I made them out and with seriousness. Could show actual lecturers no. Now when you don't me Adom na found and that TV no so no. It is an awareness then no me.
Okay, so the winner get the chance to get 15K.
Hey.
Yes.
I'm not the CBA. Watch now, baby.
Yeah.
Whoa! 15,000 Ghana cedis. Just 150 million.
Yes. And aside the banning, we just want to use this platform to also promote talent and help the audience and other people out. So with this, even though we have people that are coming for the audition tomorrow, if anyone is in Accra or any student that still want to be part, our doors are still open.
Wow, more idea 150. Scan many abre. I mean, some imagine I'm ready. Nice. And I'm a piece. Mobile any final words to or more share more.
These kind of opportunities they are very, very limited in our industry now. So we are as great individuals and young people who are coming up in the industry. We would want every tertiary student, whether an alumni or current student, should engage.
Alumni,
so they should all engage themselves in this event because it's a very big event and with a wide audience, and we are going as well. So your talent, you may not know who is watching and would identify your talent and want to invest in it. So please, they should utilize this opportunity.
Yeah, you must say so you're American. It's always sabro for me swag on face. Hey, I can't tell this year. Papa, bube back on bube back way. Bube back.
How much investment will be? I don't know if you know Bobo Golf and Robert Dam.
Hey,
they are not investment.
Baby, Obi person about friend one.
Okay, so Obi person of friend, Obi my friend 0546 891781. 0546 891781.
Great guys, Yamin Shram won't come home. The Muye be a young Kosoma. The Moody Shim Yamin Fama home. All the best talent I'm bringing out memoir half of the talent too. This is home. Munye Bina Rene a Mutia. Mon form umbre. So rich more.
Yes, we had say that. I still
have 15K. When I'm asking Dynasty, watching I may add my furniture is Lego number boy with me friend. What talent to you who dear? Wakwing and Nanny say, over Quacoton, Dynasty Event House, and I'm a normal at church and come where they see a busia, me charm by me bar. Only said that Katie da form. On by a vigil, a mano, and penny full fear, you know, my church sound common, maybe see. Mensa aka men penny for me bra penny na me wo fanim pom a wo makwadre agro ni mu a o mutu o na esi bega won say you penny for na epie mu no mensa aka the dada KD manager e me bia na twetwe nkomo e friend Kimpi me a me bra penny eno no me friend Talent House ko Kimpi die talent wo Ghana ha se afa ne na ase no. Or a great guy by all standards. And I'm me of an impong. Nana mua, Nana Bodini, my Musukakra. na ne mwa ka che kwa me apia munim no wonim ene me ka che ose yesi ne hene prekopa ene o mapie mu a ye ne mpanifo betwetwe nkomo mpanifo mba hwo makwa aba
ya josu obru
ire ye wayem ti yesre kru enye but me wofa no nana mo pia o penyi
mpanifo si yesu kra ya hem
ampa
tini ade ni nyina aka ho
ampa
e ka brabo no
ampa na no be se me dem wa ha se ye de mo na mapie mpacho kwan so
yo we de me ha me bobi ye tie ni se ye nua ye nua kwakubia me de wada shebi damani gozami
sonuna e ado ye ufata
dada kedi adani benkum so enani na awotwe nan yeah fan se enani musome na ye nananom ye papanom enkran mu ha no amane ni amamre nti no na penifo butu ade nti no na wo se ye twen ema ye lift ban no ti nyame ene nananom ya adom a ye lift ye na wo se nyame ya adom a ochina 21st June ena ye bedi ne na awotweda ewo East Legon Executive Club House ochina no pafino nkron kosi anwumre be no awotwe ena I was say your back programming so akwa entertainment show na ya de to adofo any music lovers any your fans no dada KD fans no say yesu ama ochina ebedi na watwida ape date ya de be ye na ye ni akra na chikwa na ade ba ko nso mu say enanwumre lonum ne fa ye be hia mu wo achimota Unity Oil na ya ye candlelight edia create awareness for ochina observation no and you know major na manager
Penny Ahosepe so person ne ya shetuntum ya na ningina ya hoboabo ye edia koye possession candlelight possession ama ya ba penny oda from dada KD na ne manager wa Hakim P this is not the right time but what all from no penifo bi nkofo piki kansem e wo social ne so ebi kwa kwatena other media houses ke kansem pi to the extent so mo kan send the manager your oba which is not true ten the manager wa hire no twetwe nkomo on phone so ba wa hire de sisudua say you are the one and only manager for that ke open you kwa so wa ha obetim so amaye
maminchi a o ahwefa wo hwe Sunday eko internet dumpa ebo dada kid ne manager me no opay
yeah
nti ono me nyi mebi ono ka fa ne fi ena ase me nyi dada so aye adwuma for 10 years
yampa
ya nan to ache nti there's no manager anywhere apart from Kimpi there's no manager anywhere
okay
bia be kede o kid ne manager na manager no owo hemfa ye wo ma ihu n'enyim na ye wo ma ihu n'enyim ana menye na nakechire
okay
na anto achel true that kid na mdishia na nakechire we introduce me chire na nakechire na zinti bibia na nakechire na ye kono nto extra pampa ne yin tutu na
ni bia moa ne simu na so a ye hu de mo ye in fact me so me fa kwenye so mbom panifo aba so ma ya de papa monai me hu sen na watching ye panifo me nim se mo katakra ma da so mpa mo sum ye kra do tim sa ye cold panifo ma bo adwuma nyame hira mo pen yi na nanom nta mochi because me hu sen na watching ye twa mu ne na watch we no mo de ntoto ye egu akwan mu ni ade no nti na me sre Ghana fo ahwefo ehwe ya no pese ntoto ye mpanifo de egu akwa me besre se mo ma na nye kwa mo fa ma hoden pa meta achire se wo do dada KD open nyom this is the time I will be show love and respect for Najuma power ye di gu honom enti candlelight no se ne mpanifo eka no ye besre se mo nyina mo de ma ho de beta achi na manager na wo ka se t-shirt bi na hyewe
yeah
aha na wo ka se my t-shirt a
yeah ton
obi pese wo nya bia obenya patro na obenya we he number bi obefra na yo ba bi obeto no
okay Star Sandy ye nua ba bi eneton
okay
ye yenua kwaku bi adada kedi na chiri ba yire your friend said na the number is 0244 481 465 0244 481 465 o friend no a obeyi yae bebre amanfo nso ato enim sa amanfo beba amana efe and I say on how who cry by 5 o'clock there na ye wo unity oil wo achimota e ho no akra no obenya bia to no na ye nyina ya kono ye de akwa akogya enya ensam de asisi bebre na de mesre Ghana fo ne se sabi nipa na ewu enye mimpan na ewu wa ba be ye bi dada ke di nyum somuje dada ke di nyum odomo anigye ama nkrofo aware aso nkrofo de edi agoro bebiri nkrofo de age wo mo ani this is the time wa e was say ye show la ye celebrate no enye nsem bia ye nyina ye nipa something time ana Delilah enyi no ma ye no na ono nso ye normal person a wono so ginani a woni anuano but emire bi du ya asem sima Delilah yi no ma ye na akwa ese no ho akoye hi sabi na ntwie nam enya nkwase anam se ni su na nkwase su a emoa a odi aba beboa Ghana no NSF this asem bi asie twam na se ye nyina ye bobra na Ghana de ma hu se sabi obi free mu a ene ye kofa no old eniema bi se ya na ye pese ye gu na ni mu aso se ye pese
kan so sabi wa tofom
okọ mpanifo so se obi free mu a ye nka na chi asembone aka oni ni nyame wo ye nipa me ye nipa ye nyina obi abekọ wonim de beto wo china te se hu se wo ye kronkron wo ye holy but what will happen to you tomorrow?
You know,
no, your best say, you wasem, your man yarrow. Now, be a becobi. Yet in concoye, and you are not being so boa. A freck crack can be so a oh, made them in call I baba bois, may ye say, a binu the omo instrument. Bobby is a Gaddafi, and a band there, born a dinner. My sister be the kuyakuto ono so enkoso hima so aboy empa okay na me nhira wo
amen no penyi yada say manager o nsim bi atwato a wo de beso so na yada do for us
in fact inde da na mo hu ndem boss we inde da na mo hu nde mo boss onyu ampa nana de anyum bi beto a o ye eyi ne honyum na we use fatia nkoma timete na me mshim so na me say so I am no crap it's only for 1 month and I ended up na me hu dem boss ko because of that song because fatia nkoma dankofo ona ye ko stage a yetum oboma dom
just
waye inti fatia nkoma dankofo wona akoma do popo ye ko na ya mba o chere ye mba nwie ona mo hunu de o boss onye obi enti mesre adofo de wombra na yen support ebusuan na emba na yentum yenye bibia na meze ndasebe ma Adom TV multimedia crew ndasebe mo wona pa in fact wonye na nanto ye for so many years Kobieshen, Charles na, Wankasa Sandy, no boss Ankasa so fat. When you na nanto ye Ankasa, see, which now na ndase.
Amen. Penny for yada CP say na mo best right. And to tell me the go akwem ye wish more the very best. Se bibia bekoe. As usual, patwa high home to be ania. Mama ya sotia na he. Enti mama menja mpanifo ekwan. Mpanifo patwa da se na so best right.
Da CP. So my akwanya.
Me da se. Enti patwa ye jam mpanifo ekwan a me say ye bo nwom no Ohene ke che ni je ho ye pa. Ye bo you see Asia, what the ke?
Ancient Egypt. Ancient Egypt. Samantha.
Ancient Egypt. Me hwa asana le o video ye me fa jump before ekwan me twa me ho abasisi a me ba. I say Igwe na Apamatari ede amame Friday West special. Omo testa no same building with Star Bites restaurant for Igwe 026611 2230. She show me chat kwani injuja more materials. I saw some chairman you have my Scooby doo or Axim. Makasho says Scooby is baddest on the graphics. To Axim, you made the no I heard Scooby. No we chawa to need. Ne juma hot say a bonus soda from pa Scooby ano pay. Mechi yeah Shatta Wale story no real quick na me Shatta Wale as our enram so much abanti bi coffee boat na enu hunti no omode Wale tag home because the godfather any coffee boat and I maybe some say no be down for na ya na munye film oh obi down for ya chinipa na ha yes na upe kwashwa na ya chinipa na o account ma mentama say ni ya cheno na ya wo de na obi timi settering ni hu fifire no wa settering light wo beka aha eh panifo na kan say nkofo video hia kan kwa asem because me say kom ni ani bre enti hu se ni nue koso na ya unu aga ni ya cheno o biggest artist in Ghana Shatta Wale oh, Bompire say uncle down. Oh, please. You have to relax and eat some kinky. Mo relax ko pedri ani di. Mate, fa ko mo nyesa ko pe bibi di. Na mo me Bompire ma Ghana industry the most important thing. E bia na say 50 cents. E ye sure obuki Davido. No we osa ko ye post. So I'm not ready to get beggars on the stage. Davido are in who free and it's not even about Davido. It's about African artists. It's about time I better together. Near pushy agenda because right now music is in Africa. Omono omote hono kwa no Hollywood way. So one be feature Africa artists say kwa wunya hit song. Omo chart billboard in from Tyler, Water to Yaya Molly, Shake It to the Max. Metimi abobo Africans and they making waves music industry nim. Instead of so Bompire for be down for no. Ya Bompire say Africa, ya the entertainment industry no ebenyini. Ye gini ko bia benye bibie do bia benye adwuma ye na use internet ni ye mo ani bredo do nso so me show bi birthday TT Katano happy birthday we feel down for wunia bema Frank Walanyo also on this special day Yankopon shroud na onye wo kese TT Katano Walanyo na air shower no pay we say happy birthday sir. We free wow we uncle brebo ho sing me in shop pay odini ya me do TT Katano wow blessings sir blessings and I feel happy birthday come Hetty o sing me in shop we pa we free Kobe P ho enom Kobe nie Kobe nso nie o se we show pay ye Hetty and na Kobe nso ye your birthday kwesi ada Kobe nie ye wo man of fresh minia kumanie or your sound engineer Kobe, from all of us here, we love you. We love what you do. Ejuma pa we ye ahoden a we shame dedication ye Bompire sing Yankopon emi oshroma. Nyame sha pa Kobe. Happy birthday in advance. Me sorry so be the Shashamali age because person wa born your match for so many years. Na still no. Enye ni kro mpo, kro foforo so omobo ejene so. It's beautiful to see say Ghanaian artists after so many years no. Shasha ni mekaiti go first yako second D na ba pay be gina stage 2013 honum na nye easy to go first no size here and it's a sa that's with name 2025 we are here for it me need a sister son to be a guy 2 times a guy sa me no roti mommy yeah wild mommy we share FM honum I'm the guy's queen Adelta Mechi Richmond it's Mechi OPD and me producer or social media and so OPD _ OPD producer, me producer, and on Kobe, me sound engineer, and hidden glow ne tree menim. De Emma, me na hair logistics GH, a boomiti. De mammy and kama waha, edi waha, MCR, sound, lights, camera, pow. But I'm going to say, enjoy your weekend. I may add much now. Your best year will be Sanyom, so 7 p.m. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Gaius Nation, Steve's Energy Swag. Share me watching your mirror. I will be signing so. Macro, bye. My pen come giddy. Bye for now.